Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to turn a simple text prompt into a realistic AI video, Runway ML makes it incredibly easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create videos from text in Runway ML step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Runway website. Sign in to your account, or create one if you haven't already. Next, from the dashboard, click *** New Project ** and choose the * text to video * or generate video ** tool, depending on the AI model available in your account. Now type a detailed text prompt describing the video you want to create. Include details like the subject, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style to get better results. After that, customize the available settings such as aspect ratio, video duration, motion level, or quality based on your project requirements. So click the *generate ** button and wait while Runway processes your prompt. AI video generation may take a few moments depending on the selected settings. Next, preview the generated video. If it isn't exactly what you imagined, edit your prompt, adjust the settings, and generate another version. Finally, once you're satisfied with the result, click *export ** or download * to save the video to your computer or continue editing it with Runway's built-in tools. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully created a video from text in Runway ML. Now you can transform your ideas into AI-generated videos in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.